Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're going to install the new video streamer product App2Car into Renault Trafic 2020. So what we're going to do is very simple. You just have the product. We plug in the cable on the car of the product, and we just wait for it to be identified by the car. It's gonna take a few seconds, and it's gonna show you the product very soon. Here we go. Say hello. The product is ready, and of course give you information that please do not watch movies while you drive. We just say I know. And here we go, we have the product installed. Of course, the first thing we need to do is go to settings, and in wireless LAN we need to connect to your mobile phone. Yeah, and when it's connected, you can simply navigate through the product. For example, we're gonna watch a movie now, so we just simply go into we just go into the Carplay, we just go into the apps, more apps, and we have Netflix here. I already logged into my Netflix account, so it's gonna pop up very soon. Here we go, we have my Netflix account here ready to go, and we simply select the movie we want and ready to play. As you can see, it's a plug and play device, easy to install, and you can watch Netflix on the go or while you're waiting.
Anteriormente, estábamos en Escocia, nuestra segunda luna de miel. Este es un...
Also, I'm going to show you a demonstration how it works with YouTube. So we're gonna go to YouTube. We can watch YouTube videos as well from this device. What you need to do is just simply share the internet connection from your mobile phone to this device, so it can you can watch the movies. You can watch movies or videos. So we want to just click on this one. There we go. There's your video, YouTube video there. Right? This is an ad, sorry. Just skip the ad, and then we'll watch the video. And of course you can go forwards and backwards. Yeah. And just to go back to the main menu, just click here, go to the main screen. So yeah, if you want more information about App2Car, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com. Thank you very much.